Hey everybody, welcome back. 53,990 kilometers on this particular vehicle right here. We'll just do a quick video. This is a 2006 Toyota Camry. This is the XLE version. Sunroof as well. The only option that I believe that's missing out of this particular car right here, my Toyota, is the powered tilt and telescopic steering wheel. It has a fake wood grain, all the power mirrors, and it's got the heated seats. It's got all the doodads that you want. You know, everything works on this car. Like I said, this is an 06. And this thing here, look at the mileage. Next to nothing on this thing. We're going to do a quick walk around. So the 2002 to 2006 is the XV30 body. Amazingly reliable vehicle. Runs, drives. We're going to shut this thing off here right now. Like a dream. Quiet. Powerful. This thing here has got the... I'll show you the engine. This is the 1MZ-FE. It is 210 horsepower, 3-liter variable valve timing. Car's dirty, it just rained. Took it out for a drive. I just replaced the factory tires on this car about a week and a half ago. They were 20 years old. Still the factory brakes. Like I said, it's a little bit dirty right now. Still the factory brakes. Only other thing I've ever changed on this car is, here we go, there's a better shot. The battery had to be changed out last year, 6 months ago. Why do people love these vehicles? Reliability. Smooth ride, plenty of room. I mean, you can easily get, there's a blanket in here. You can easily get 4 people very comfortably in here. You can get 5, and we do it all the time. And a big dog. It's got the 60-40 split. Cup holder in the middle if you want it. It's got the ashtrays. It actually has ashtrays. They've never been used. The mat pockets have never been used. The carpets, you can see there's a little bit of dirt because we just had the dog in here not too long ago. Like a day ago. The passenger front seat power operated as well as the driver's seat, of course. Center console, cup holders. Look at the condition. The mats are dirty. I've been driving. I had customers. No. I had people in here. Everything absolutely mint. Other than some damage on the vehicle, and we'll get to that in a second. And a cup holder, obviously the dual center glove box console, automatic, 5-speed automatic, 210 horse, I already said that, 1MZ-FE. Look at the trunk on this thing. We fill this when we go for a long road trip. The trunk on this thing here is simply amazing. This is why people love these vehicles, is because why? They're reliable, they're comfortable, they last. 300,000 kilometers easy out of this vehicle, regular maintenance. Like I said, the only thing that I believe that's missing is the tilt and telescopic power, well, the power steering that it has, but the electronic one. Lumbar support, driver's seat. Like I said, factory tires I just changed, battery I just replaced. Like, look at the detail underneath here. I've only washed this thing once, but it has sat over the winter. I don't drive this car in the winter. And you can see the dust. That'll get cleaned up. Headlights have never been touched. Factory clean. Same with the driving fog lights. An amazing vehicle. Okay, so let's now spin the camera this way. Fuel economy wise on this vehicle, I just had it on the highway. I was going into a 35 km/h wind. I was getting 9 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway drive. I was doing 108 kilometers an hour. Coming back with the wind, I was getting 6.2 to 6.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Amazing fuel economy in this thing. Love it. Why do people love these things? That's another reason why. Plenty of power. This is traction control, ABS. It's got all that fun stuff. Here's the bad news. You take a look closely. Dent, dent, dent. Just unfortunately, we had a hailstorm. My car got damaged. Over $11,000 worth of damage on this particular vehicle. And then, there's always an and then, isn't there? I had a tree fall on it. I kid you not. I laughed, I cried, I cursed. I did all that fun stuff. Will I sell the car? No. I'm going to keep it. Why am I keeping it? It's got no mileage. It runs, it starts, it drives like a dream. There's not a squeak or a rattle in this thing. And other than the 2 things I've mentioned, wearable items, tires and battery, everything else is factory. Oh, air filter, cabin filter, stuff like that, and engine oil. That's it. I'm going to do the timing belt. I looked at it. It looks clean. It's got no cracks on it, but I'm going to change it out anyway. If you have any questions or comments on the 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry with the XV30, that's the series number, and the next body of it, let me know. What's your thoughts? Everything looks good. It runs, it drives, still the factory exhaust. Everything on this car is amazing, other than, unfortunately, my hail damage. If you need to move people around and you're looking for a sedan, a reliable vehicle, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to close the hood. Show you that. Even the grill, it's dirty. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, it rained. Ooh, clunk. That's it. Sun is setting. The day is over. There it is. And there's that nasty dent. I'm going to get that taken out.